Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we'll see file upload and authorizations types in Postman. So file upload means when we upload a file, single or multiple, through a web UI, an API is triggered in the background. This API receives the file from client and sends the request to the server. Then the upload files are stored in server or in the database. So for this we need some setup. So you need to download jar files. You need to download this file upload REST API jar files and keep it one place, and here go to CMD and execute this command java-jar file upload REST API .jar. So if you click on that, your server get up and run. Then you can execute. So this this Spring Boot file this will be get live at 8084 localhost 8080. So here you can see, you can choose the file, single file, or you can choose the multiple files, and you can upload the files. So now to upload the files, go to Postman and see. Now go to Postman, and now we try to upload single files, download single files and upload multiple files. So I have already created the collection file upload. So click on this single file upload. So here go to the body, you can select body, then form data, then enter the key file, select file here, and then you can upload the files. So click on here and upload. I have already uploaded, so you can upload any files. After uploading the files, you can hit this send request. So you will get that file upload or authentication types in Postman. So you can see our file is uploaded successfully. So now this is about the single file upload. So now open the download single file. So we have these URLs. So we need to copy this URL, go to download files and paste there. Okay, so in download file we have pasted that URL and click on send, that you get these files. So already I have did, because Postman taking more time for execution, so recording purpose I already did this. So if first I have uploaded single file, then I'm from that URL we are downloading that files. So that's about single file upload and download. So now go for upload multiple files. So same way you need to upload more than one files, and similar way you can download also. So here again you need to select multiple files. So select more than one files, 2-3 files, you can select multiple files and click on send. So then you will get that 2 files. We have uploaded these 2 files. This is the download link. We can copy that and download API. We can download these files. So that's about the file upload. We have uploaded single file, downloaded single file, uploaded multiple files. So now we'll see authentication and authorization. So authentication is nothing but the authentication verifies the identity of the user or system accessing the API. Authorization is the authorization control what action or data the authorized user is allowed to access. So this is about the authentication and authorization. So now we see some types of authentications in Postman. So there are 4 types basically: REST API authentication methods, basic authentication, token authentication, OAuth authentication, and API key authentication. So we'll see some of the authentication here. Basic auth, so how it works: so uses username and password encoded into request header. Simple APIs, basic authentication, so you can use that request, get URLs and username, password. This basic auth. Then digest auth, so similar to basic auth but more secure at uses encryptions. So you will need to use URLs, then you need to use the username and password also. Then API key, so uses a unique key provided by the API provider to authenticate. So public APIs like weather or stack market services, they can use this. So here we need to this URLs with API key. So auth type API key, so here key is app ID value something and add to query parameters. So that you need for this API key authentication. Now so we'll see the bearer token. So it uses a token service identifier for a user app. So you need a token each time, you need to bearer token each time. And about OAuth, so here OAuth 2.0, so how it's work, the complex and secure method to authorize uses by access tokens, often involving a login flow. So you need to some login somewhere, generate this key. You can log into Spotify APIs, you can use the tokens, and tokens are generated through OAuth process. So this is a somewhat complicated process. So this about the complete file upload and authorization types in Postman. That's it.